The Quest for Eternal Treasures. This is the story of Surah Al-Asr. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst lush green fields, lived a group of curious and playful children. One sunny day, as they gathered under a shade of a big old tree, they noticed an elderly man passing by. His gentle smile and wise eyes captivated their attention. Intrigued, the children approached the elderly man and asked, "Sir, can you share a story with us? We love stories." The elderly man sat down, his eyes sparkling with delight. "Of course, my young friends. Let me tell you a tale about a surah in the Quran called Al-Asr." The children sat eagerly ready to absorb every word of the story. Once in a faraway land, there was a beautiful kingdom ruled by a wise and just king. The king loved his people dearly and wanted them to lead prosperous lives. He had a secret treasure hidden within his palace, a precious hourglass filled with golden sand. One day the king summoned all the kingdom's children and told them about the hourglass. He explained, "This hourglass holds the essence of time. It reminds us of the value and importance of every moment we have. Whoever understands this and uses their time wisely will be rewarded greatly." The children were excited and wondered how they could prove their worthiness. The king smiled and continued, "There are 3 important keys to unlock the treasure within this hourglass: faith, good deeds, and advising one another towards truth and patience." With a determined spirit, the children set out to unlock the treasure. They helped their family studied hard and showed kindness to everyone they met. They learned about their faith and prayed sincerely to Allah, seeking His guidance and blessings. The children rejoiced, grateful for the lessons they had learned. They understood that time is a precious gift from Allah, and by using it wisely, they could achieve greatness. They promised to remember Surah Al-Asr and to continue spreading goodness throughout their lives. And so the children returned to their village as beacons of light and inspiration. They shared the story of Surah Al-Asr with others, encouraging them to make the most of their time and work towards the betterment of humanity. The village transformed into a place of harmony and unity, where people cherished each moment and strived to do good deeds. The story of Surah Al-Asr became a guiding light for generations to come, reminding them that faith, good deeds, and advising one another towards the truth and patience were the keys to a purposeful and successful life. The children sat in awe, their hearts filled with wisdom and determination. They thanked the elderly man for sharing such a beautiful story with them. From that day forward, they embraced the lessons of Surah Al-Asr, making every moment count and working together to create a world filled with love, kindness, and goodness.